Welcome to another Angel on the Go video. In this video, we are actually at the Walmart that is closest to downtown Disney and also Disney World. And we wanted to show you what items that this Walmart has that's closest to Disney since we're in Florida. So we're just gonna go around and show you guys. These shirts were $12.97. Now they're down to $7.97. They have these cute mom and dad. And we're just gonna quickly take you through here because this Disney section at this Walmart is huge. And again, it's because we are probably 5 to 10 minutes away from Disney World and also downtown Disney. Look at all this, you guys. Here's the grandma and grandpa, which are super cute. Look at the brother. They have the sister. They have the mom, the dad, grandma, and grandpa hats. These are $12.97. So if you guys plan on coming to Disney World or downtown Disney anytime soon, you guys might want to stop by Walmart because I'm going to let you guys know if you guys try to get this at downtown Disney or Disney World, it is really expensive. These are all the shot glasses. These are the coffee mugs. Look how cute these are. And Walmart is fully stocked. Look at this. You guys can get all these keychains. So you'll be paying $1.25 for these keychains. And at Disney, these things are probably around 30 bucks. All right, you got more shirts for the family. And again, we're quickly showing you guys what they have because they have so much stuff. There's some beach towels. Look like these are pajamas. Look at all this, you guys. These are pins, the collector pins. Oh, these are for the car. These are the antenna toppers. How cute. Look at this, you guys. Here's some keychains. Best day ever. Look at that. Florida. They have all these keychains here. Look at all these magnets. I have never seen a section in Disney at Walmart that is this big. They got a bunch of pajamas. These would be perfect for the airplane. Here's some more mugs. Hey, look at all this stuff they got. They got a ton of stuff. Look at these ceramic salt and pepper shakers. His and her glasses. Salt and pepper shakers. I like this one. There's so much stuff, you guys. These are the things that you put water in and it sprays the water out of here like a fan. So these are perfect. These are only $14.47 here. You guys know that this is like $65 to $80, right?
Yeah, it's expensive.
They're expensive at Disney. Look at how cute these are. Look at that. Ice cream cone cups. They got the mini cups. The Mickey Mouse cup. You gonna take me to Disney soon?
Yeah, if you can go through that, walk 10 miles in the heat with a mask on.
Oh man, I don't know, you guys. It's really hot here in Florida. And for you to walk around in a mask, I don't know how that's gonna be. Look at the little mini ears they have. They have the black and white. And these are only $9.97. Again, much cheaper than the park. They have the Mickey Mouse stretch pants. The Lilo and Stitch. My son loves this movie. All right, let's see what else they have. They have hats. And man, you know how much that stuff is because we've been to Disney few times, and that stuff is really expensive. Oh, they got the autograph books. These are cute, you guys. Your kids can use these at the parks, and their favorite characters can sign this. So these are the autograph books. Oh wow, they're only $1.97. Man, you guys, let me tell you something. We bought one of these for our girls when they were smaller, and these things were like 12 bucks, 12, 13, $14 at Disney. Look at that. Look how cute that is. So again, your kids can have their favorite characters sign this, and they're only $1.97. So again, Angel on the Go. If you guys plan on taking a trip to Disney, you might want to stop by Walmart first, because they have everything here. Look, they got pins. These are nice. Look at all these sets. This one's only $2.97. Great price. All right, let me show you over here. They got some more water bottles. They have these cute plates. Only $4.97. Wow. Did you see a Universal Studio side? Because I didn't see. I think they just have Disney. Look at these lunch bags, you guys. These are $9.97. Got this one down here. They got the cute, look at how cute that is, the Mickey Mouse bowl. The ears stick out. These bowls are $6.97. They have the Minnie Mouse. Oh, I'm out of breath, you guys. They have so much stuff here. That's cute. Look at that set. All right, here's some rain ponchos, because you know it rains every 2 seconds in Florida. All right, this aisle right here, you guys, they have nothing but sweatshirts, shirts. Look how cute these are with the little Mickey Mouse. They got the Mickey Mouse shorts, tank tops. So again, we're just showing you what they have at this Walmart, because we always want to help you guys save money. And again, if you guys are taking a trip to Disney, you definitely want to come here first, because you can save a ton of money buying this stuff instead of going to the park and spending all their money. Look at that, sweatshirts right here. Are these pajamas? So these are pajamas. Look at the Ariel pajamas. How cute this is. They have Pluto pajamas. They have Minnie Mouse pajamas with the shorts. Oh, super cute. This makes me want to go to Disney. We should go. We should get the year pass. All right, let's see. They got shorts down here. Oh, they got long lines. All right, we're gonna check over here. All right, you guys, here's some kids shirts. They got a bunch of Minnie Mouse here. Here's some boy shirts. Look how cute this is. Look at that. Vacation, fun times. Mickey Mouse bursting out of the shirt. See, you guys, Mickey Mouse is saying subscribe to Angel on the Go. Let's see. You guys, if you have a little one that wears this to the park, you cannot miss him. The thing is super bright. These are $9.47. Here's a black one. Look how cute this is. This is $9.47. And Mickey Mouse. And look, you guys, it goes all the way from down here. All the way down here. This is all Disney stuff. All right, let's see what else we can find. Look how cute this is. And let us know if you guys been to Disney, if you guys plan on going to Disney. Look at these cute hats. These are only $10.97. Look how cute this is. And they have this one. Super cute. They got the Mickey in blue. And they have the Mickey in the red. Here's some more hats. Here's a blue Mickey. Here's a gray Mickey. This one's cute. The pink Minnie. Look at all this. They got a bunch of baby clothes for little girls. Super cute. I have never seen this much Disney ever at a store. Look at this. I go to this side. Look at the cute little dresses, you guys. Look how cute this is. All right, and I think we're almost done. Let's see what else. All right, this is the adult men's section. They got a ton of Disney shirts. I am smiling. Super cute. Grumpy. Today I'm feeling happy, tired, angry, sad, grumpy, excited, hungry, afraid, annoyed. They got shirts up here. This is crazy, guys. Look at that. This is a cute shirt. This is something my husband will wear. I don't do matching shirts. Look at that. Would you wear this? I don't do matching shirts because I like the mom, dad, grandpa. All right, so this is the Disney section at the closest Walmart by Disney and Downtown Disney. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you guys come out to Florida and you guys want to visit Disney, even Universal, SeaWorld, make sure you guys stop at Walmart first because they have the cheaper prices and then you can spend your money on something else. So buy all your souvenirs at Walmart. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell.